a lot of new YouTubers are out there and they'll be using their channel, whether old channels or new channels, and they don't even know how to check the health of their channel. The reason why some of you are experiencing low views, no subscribers, no watch hours is because the channel's health is not even okay. All right. Just as we go to see doctors to be examined, our channels should be also examined and checked and should be in proper health. So if your channel is not in proper health, it can actually hinder your growth. And despite how consistent you can be, it might not be giving you any results. So in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to check the health of your channel and other things that relate to your channel. So if this guy really helps to watch, please feel free to subscribe on this channel. Like this video, drop your questions and your contributions, and lastly, share these videos to other people to see, okay? Happy, my name is Joy, but welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. This is kind of really to watch. I have a full playlist and I'll be attaching it to the description of this video. Please go through it and take your YouTube game to a higher level. That being said, let's dive right into my code speak, where I show you how to check the health of your page and take your videos and your content creation to a better place. So this is Chrome, okay? The first thing you do to check the health of your channel, just go ahead to the YouTube dashboard. Search for YouTube dashboard, as you can see here. Click on it, okay? And wait for it to load. It will redirect you. Click on this YouTube dashboard. It will redirect you to the desktop site, okay? The reason why you need to check the health of your channel is because it can really tell on your channel. If your channel has any strike, it will affect the performance of your channel. So this is why you need to check it at all times to know if you have any strike or not. Okay, a lot of people have been using their channel like that blindly, not checking or knowing what is wrong with their channel. Okay, so it's good you know what your channel is telling you. You see this left side of your dashboard, okay? What you have to do is scroll down. You see this three dot icon. Some people will say they don't know what all these things simplifies, okay? This three dots icon close to this studio, click on it so to tell you the names of all of these things. Okay, are you seeing it? It has opened the menu. If you want to collapse the menu, you still click on that particular place. So in order for you to open the menu, just click on it. So now it's open. This first logo is the dashboard. The second one is the content. Okay. This first logo is the dashboard. The second one is the content. The third one is your channel analytics. There your content is where your videos are. Okay. So this is the channel analytics. And then we have the community. Okay. The reason why my phone is showing like this is because I put my phone in landscape mode. Okay. It's my phone I'm using. It's not a laptop. All right. So then we have the subtitles. I already did a video where you can actually put subtitles and channel other people from every part of the world with different speaking languages to watch your videos. You can use this subtitle option. So I'll be linking my playlist to this video. You can see all of the videos that I'll be mentioning in my playlist and watch it and take your channel to another level, okay? Then this is the copyright that I was talking about. If you want to know, this is where you check for copyright, okay? You click on it. All right. So you will click on this copyright. And then, are you seeing mine? Mine doesn't show any copyright because I don't have any copyright. But it said nothing to see. You haven't submitted any copyright takedown request. Okay, looking for any copyright. This is just it. If you have any copyrights that you are dealing with, it will be showing right here. Okay, this is where you check it. So guys, go ahead and check yours. If you have any copyright, either from somebody's videos like content, reused content or unoriginal content, you will see it here. All right. And then on that place, you can also check. Maybe you want to check a particular video to see if that video has any form of copyright or whatsoever. You go back to that content where I taught you just now. Underneath your dashboard, are you seeing this content? You just go ahead and click the content and choose the particular video that you are looking for or that you want to check if there is a strike. Okay, so when you go to this side again, go to this side. Are you seeing where I'm touching? And then look for the C. Any logo you see C is the copyright logo. Okay, so click on it again and then see. Okay, yeah, it says video copyright. That one I checked before was the channel copyright. Okay, this particular one is the video copyright. It says what happened? No copyright issues were found in your video. If there's a specific video that has copyright issues, you will see it when you're using this particular process that I just showed you. Okay, right now I don't have any copyrights on this particular video, so you can go ahead and do it for all of your videos to know if any of them have copyright issues that is making your channel hidden. Okay, copyright issues can actually take your channel's visibility down. Are you seeing it? You say your channel is ticked green. You say your channel isn't affected. Visibility is ticked green as well. You say there are no visibility restrictions in this particular video nor my channel. So my channel is clean. My visibility is clean. All my videos are clean. There's no copyright anywhere because I'm posting my original videos. So if you've been experiencing low views or any form of um low visibility in your channel or in any of your videos, guys, just go ahead and check both for your channel copyright and each videos on your channel, okay, to know where the issues is coming from. Because if you have any strikes, it will definitely reduce your channel's visibility, and when you post videos, you might likely not be getting any views. So fix the problem that you're having in your channel. If it's copyright problems, please fix it. Go ahead and clean it off so that your channel's visibility will be clean again, and then your videos will be performing very well. Guys, you've seen it. So if you found this video helpful, please tune in to my channel, subscribe, and also share to your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye,